In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube subscriptions public. So if you want to make your YouTube subscriptions public so people can see which channels you are subscribed to on YouTube, this is a super simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your YouTube app. Once you open up YouTube, you can now select your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Once you click on that, you will now need to select your channel. And then once you select your channel, as you can see under your username, there is Manage Videos, your Analytics tab, and then there is a little pencil icon. If you click on the pencil icon, it will bring you to your channel settings. And as you can see, keep all of my subscriptions private is toggled on. So if you want to make your subscriptions public, all you simply need to do is toggle this option off. And then as you can see, your changes have been saved. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.